To kick off his first day on the campaign trail, PC leader Tony Wakeham announced plans to bring better health care to rural communities and increase the number of healthcare workers. NTV's Bailey Howard is following the Tory campaign and has that story.
It's the first day on the campaign trail, and today PC leader Tony Wakeham made some big announcements for the healthcare system, costing upwards of $40 million, which he says will bring healthcare closer to residents in rural communities.
Our team is excited to share our plan, a plan for better healthcare, lower taxes, and safer communities for all of us.
These measures include adopting the Registered Nurses Union's recommendation to launch a province-wide program to bring registered nurses and nurse practitioners to rural and remote communities. To train more nurses locally, Wakeham says he will open 50 new spaces for nursing students at MUN and implement paid work terms.
Imagine if instead of hiring travel nurses from Toronto or Winnipeg to come to our province like the Liberals did, we will invest money bringing local nurses to you. We will provide a tuition refund for all new graduates who choose to stay and work in this province.
He also committed to reducing financial barriers by covering medical travel costs for patients that must travel for essential care and allowing patients to see nurse practitioners for free.
We will also make sure that you are not charged for parking when you go to your appointments at any hospital in the province.
The Tories also plan to purchase and staff 4 new MRI machines for rural communities.
In Labrador, in Grand Falls, Windsor, and on the Burin Peninsula. And after we are elected, we will review the needs further across our province and determine the best place for a 4th MRI.
When it comes to how the party will cover the $40 million that these commitments would cost, Wakeham said this.
Well, if I look at what I've announced this morning and it's costing out, I can tell you that I won't be spending $240 million on travel nurses, which is something that is more than enough to pay for the announcements I've made today.
There was no timeline given to implement these measures. Wakeham says the Tories plan to make more announcements in the coming days regarding cost of living measures. Bailey Howard, NTV News.